Number 1. Grateful, meaning feeling thankful for something. Example sentence: I am grateful for your help during the project. Number 2. Patient, meaning able to accept or tolerate delays or problems without becoming annoyed. Example sentence: he remained patient even after waiting for hours. Number 3. Clever, meaning quick to understand, learn, or apply things. Example sentence: the clever student solved the puzzle in minutes. Number 4. Friendly, meaning kind, pleasant, and easy to talk to. Example sentence: the new neighbors are very friendly and welcoming. Number 5. Creative, meaning having the ability to produce original and imaginative ideas. Example sentence: she has a creative mind and always thinks outside the box.